Okay. There's been found hidden military technology. Real-life Star Wars weapons, the Raytheons, in the United States Navy have successfully developed and tested anti-aircraft laser. Again, an anti-aircraft laser. We have a laser gun that shoots down airplanes, etc. And the AAL, we'll call it, was testing against the drone flying over 300 miles per hour. And it was able to pick up the drone right out of the sky. I can't tell you the height or the UAV or the range of the laser because that information is top secret. And if I'm not anti-American, I'm anti-greedy people who will leave the earth with what they came with, nothing. Only about 3 million people have the clearance to know from the Washington Post I heard yesterday. But the Raytheons are about complete with the sister land-based system that are targeted for mortar and rocket rounds, which I'm sure will be a welcoming addition to bases in Afghanistan, which are fighting a war for no absolute reason. So the fear-mongering jackasses in this country can feel good about themselves. One drawback, my informants told me that there's no colors or sound effects. We've come to expect, after watching Skywalker's X-Wing fighter, luckily, the Raytheons have provided provided my informant with the artist rendering to at least give people what they want. I tried to copy the drawing. I would have been under, like I said, I'm not going to break the law, but I drew a picture of what I seen. I'll show you. That was the Ray. That looked like some kind of fuel lodge. Maybe a fossil fuel. But yeah, this is what brought the drone down from a 300 mile per hour movement. Yeah, thanks for tuning in.